This is a paper scale you can use to measure your hair sample so that you know you are sending the right amount to the lab. You'll see on the edges there are some lines where you can fold down the sides of the scale. You're going to fold them, as we will show you, so that the sides point straight down from the main part of the scale. You do not want to fold it so that the sides are flat up against the underside of the scale, and we will show you what this looks like when we set it down. So that is the scale, and you're going to put your hair on the X, and when you have enough hair, the scale will tip. And you want to lay the hair on the scale horizontally across the X. We'll use that clip as an example. That's the correct way to place the hair sample after you cut. Do not place it the other direction with the hair pointing towards the end of the scale. Once that scale tips, you have enough hair and you can send that to us.